What is up, guys? My name is Corey. This is Xander, and this is our very first YouTube video. And today we're gonna be walking through the nature trail. Let's go. It's pretty boring though. I have no idea what to talk about. Why are you so quiet? Are you camera shy? Then talk. so we will try to make a video once a week if we have any subscribers, and we'll be doing fun stuff like this. Like maybe one day we'll be going through like a sewer tunnel by Huber Park, see how far we can go, and then like by his old house, Zender's old house, he had a abandoned warehouse. So fun. Yeah. This is gonna be some crappy audio, cause like I have a phone and I need like something better, like a mic or something like that. Well, I ain't getting money. And then like the carnival is going up, and if I have a GoPro or something like that, and then I can record off of there, and then we can show you stuff at the carnival if he has money to even go. Gosh dang, this is shaking a bunch. Because every time when I take a footstep, and through this, uh, through the nature trail, it has golfing. What? Well, found a bone. It's pretty nice. That's pretty great how we found a bro and how we're walking through this. You know what? If we look back on this, it's gonna be so awkward.
I wonder what this is.
It's a bone.
Well, I wonder like if it's a coyote.
You like, I don't know.
Dude, just say, hey, do you know what this is? Then comment below.
Okay,
If you know what kind of animal it is.
say it.
If you know what kind of animal this is, comment below.
And this is like where we are, stuff like that. And that's how many holes. Like there's different trails, but we're just walking. Like there's a waterfall and stuff like that, which we don't even know if we're gonna get any subscribers or not. So who knows? We may be just talking to ourselves. Oh yeah, and then one day we went through like one of these before, but it was a little bit shorter, and we walked all the way. It's pretty scary, but fun at the same time. Sorry if the camera's shaking too much. I'm trying not to. It's kind of hard. Oh crap! Kind of scared to go through this. Like you know them strap on GoPros. I'd rather have that, so then it'd be strap on. It'd be pretty fun. Oh, that water's nasty. What the heck?
I know, how is it so deep?
No, but look. Every time whenever like you record, and then sometimes it'll be green. Look how much the camera's shaking.
I know. Go up for this for it.
Let's go. And by the way, we are cousins. Just to let every one of y'all know. Imagine if we just had one subscriber and we said, just let every one of y'all know. Look how deep that is. Like, from right now, it doesn't seem that deep. But the way that we're looking at it is pretty deep. What?
Do you see that? In the middle of those two rocks.
Moss.
No, what is that? Let's go pick that out.
Oh, no. I'm picking that out. I don't know where it's been. But yeah, we would be riding with our bikes, but his bike had a flat tire. So it was pretty great. Look at my ugly little shoes. It actually looks white. Look. But yeah, if you want us to do this again, just let us know in the comments below, because we will be reading them if we do have any comments.
It's gonna save me.
No, we can't go up that way. Oh crap, I see him, Xander. Xander. Other way. There ain't no way that we're going through this. I can see him. I'm going up the other way.
Huh?
I'm going up the other way.
Why?
Because I can. Shut up. Yeah, you should have went this way. Can you see them? They're right there. And there's Xander. See, you said it was like over there. It was them people that was screaming. I just don't want to go by them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Are we going up this way? Imagine if people just start chasing us. That'd be pretty scary, huh?
Look, I see him.
I'm not walking over there. You know, I already showed them. Where you going?
They're in the 9th grade.
No, I'm good. I don't like the kids.
Waterfall?
Let's go.
There's probably another way.
So far we've been recording for 7 minutes now, and so far they haven't seen my face. My voice is gonna be cracking through all this. You know how my voice does. And then it's gonna sound like this.
No, we'll throw it back.
What? And over here we have like water treatment. Let's go. Xander. Xander. They're trying to find out who we are. Let's go. Like, because I can overhear them. They're talking like really loud. And they're like, yo, who, and see if you can find out who they are. And to be honest, I don't really trust the people. Whether or not they're in my grade or not. You know?
Yeah, the moon's out.
Oh, it's not. Ah, yeah. But yeah. At least, like, my friend, Matthew, you know? He has a YouTube channel, and on his YouTube channel, all he does is play Fortnite, and he doesn't even talk. I don't like that. They're walking back.
Huh?
They're walking back.
They're probably coming to get the frisbees.
Nah. Were they actually throwing frisbees?
Yeah. They're trying to make it into a little goalie thing.
Oh, that's probably what they're talking about, huh?
Uh-huh.
Now I look like an idiot. I don't really care though, but I don't trust. See, it's better than whenever I did it that way. It's better like this.
This is perfect for the canyons.
Oh, what is that? Oh, cactus. What is that? You see that?
comment below.
Wonder if it's like pieces of looks like a pieces of bread, cause I can, or a bed, not bread. It looks like a piece of a bed, because I seen like the springs and stuff.
When I get back, we're gonna come up here in this
Where'd they go? I'm not coming up here with them. Where'd they go?
with the car.
No.
We're gonna come up here.
Look how, like, I don't, honestly, just imagine, like, accidentally doing something wrong and, like, your car would be stuck.
Oh, this is so funny. Oh, because they are like.
Okay, so we're on a waterfall, right?
That's to like it. Far.
I thought the waterfall was this way.
Back that way.
Remember, it was close by your house.
It is.
But that's not the way. Close by your house. That's the way that was close by your... Oh, wait.
Remember the fire up there.
Yeah. Well, then,
Oh,
look, and then there's... You see them slides back there? That's like the swimming pool. So, hey, I want to touch that. I want it. I don't.
like a little place for boating there.
Well, you can just hear something go shh, shh. It's not weird. And then, ooh, what's that smell? It's like,
Which way? I'm gonna go this way.
ew. I don't know. I don't know how long we're gonna keep this video going on for. 11 minutes. Cause we've been in this canyon about like what, 4 times? Something like that. Yeah, cause it says warning gas pipeline.
Even if.
My hands are getting cold. So my hands are getting cold. We should have brought gloves. Okay, and you remember that water park that I was talking about? Maybe we can get up closer and I can show. I like how I keep on saying they, even though there's probably gonna be like none of the people gonna be watching us. You remember how Destiny was saying that she wanted to be in one of our videos? She's like, it's just to make a YouTube channel so I can be in it. I am.
Huh?
I am. She should have probably been taught that more than you. No, she wouldn't, huh? Ooh, my hands. Wow.
You want to see the background?
It's like blurry. Of what? Why'd you put that? You like Selena Gomez?
No. Alyssa did.
I don't like Alyssa. Imagine Alyssa's watching this.
No.
I wouldn't care. If you know which Alyssa we're talking about, then I don't care. Comment below. I was gonna say something else, but then I don't want to. You know? Alright. Yeah.
Kinda hard.
Gotta get the perfect angle for it. Ooh. Ah, no. Dang, the camera is so blurry whenever you do far apart. What are you doing?
Dude, that'd be awesome.
Huh.
Dig it in more.
Let me
and
see.
we could just sit in there. If we dug it in more, just go.
Well, leave a comment below if we should do that. If we get 1,000 likes, then we'll do that. Just kidding. It depends. Imagine if we do have a big YouTube thing. Here, hold the camera. You like my face? It's all red, huh? I don't like my smile. Oh, shoot. There it goes. I don't know where them people went though.
Huh?
I don't know where them people went though. That's nice. That's nice.
Hey, did you take a picture of that?
Yeah, it did. It's pretty cool though. No, that's not the part that we're jumping over. We're jumping over this part to that. Like the one by his house, which is the same canyon, but we could go through it again. But the last time we went through it. I followed some cactus and all of it went right through my hand, and it was. I wonder how it looks whenever I like run through it. I wonder see if it can catch it. I'm so scared. Like if my phone drops or something.
Yeah.
Like whenever we're like going over water or something. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh. In there.
Oh, and then one time we found like a cat bone.
Oh.
But like we found like cat bones, like in its head. You hear
Now
that?
we're gonna go through a water.
You hear that? Bro, we're at 16 minutes. Like most YouTubers, they don't. They at least go 10 minutes. Or like the ones I watch, you know. They go like 10 minutes. We're going an extra mile. We're hitting about 20 minutes.
More.
More? You think anybody's gonna watch this? It's just us walking. I think we'll stop it whenever we get to the waterfall. Huh. Yeah.
So we're gonna have to cross that.
Stay till the end if you want to see the waterfall. Which I know you've seen water balls before. It's pretty cool, I guess. But
This is pretty small.
yeah. But hey. Oh, I can. Same. I wonder if I could stay the night at your house and then bring my Nintendo Switch.
Maybe. Well, I gotta go at 7:45. I gotta head home.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 6:05, so we're good.
Yeah,
Imagine if we run into them people though.
no.
I have this.
And if we do, it's alright. I think I know them most.
I don't know them because I don't want them to know me. Then they'll be like, haha, I thought you were kidding. Oh, my hand. My hand.
Look at this view for a creature.
There's also a warning for gasoline. Which I'm pretty sure it's that. That's what we're probably smelling. Is what I said before. What? Yeah.
There's a turtle shell, and it's on the back of the water.
If I had some like fast forwarding, if I could do that, but
Do you know where we crossed the river at?
no,
Because that's where we gotta go.
I don't remember.
We gotta
I thought you remember it was by the nature trail, and then you have to cross through this thing. Remember at the beginning, and then you have to go down that bridge path, kind of.
Maybe we'll just see it on the. I just saw that frisbee. Fuck.
Close by?
Yeah. We'll probably lie in. I got my.
Nah, bro. I don't want to.
Oh, feel nice.
I don't.
Might just be in the like the deep end.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure they're coming our way.
But we'll make it to the
Nah, no,
where
dude.
they get their property.
Nuh-uh. See?
We'll be alright.
No, no, I'm okay because I thought it was like some high schoolers like go to it. What?
Me?
What are you looking for?
The thing that everything's not here.
No, I'm telling you, so whenever you do the like, you go to the
No, they're good.
oh yeah,
What did you come up at?
I couldn't remember.
When
Where was the bridge that we crossed? Remember that bridge? And then it leads to that one place. Do you know what I'm talking about though, right?
Maybe we can. No. It's like right here.
Should
Yeah,
we?
it is.
Is it? Oh, this is the way to the waterfall?
Yeah.
I'm gonna laugh if you're wrong.
Huh?
I'm gonna laugh if you're wrong.
If I what?
If you're wrong.
No, I'm not.
Okay, we're on 21 minutes now. Oh my gosh, I almost slipped. That was pretty much slipped. Ow, you flung a stick at me.
Remember this part?
Ow. This is a stick that it flung at me. And it's super cold. Oh yeah, this is the way. We gotta come down this way, don't we?
Yeah, I'm like,
Go. We don't have our bikes now.
I know, but still. I don't even know where it's going.
Oh, the deeper that we go, the like, you don't know, you can see like bobcats and stuff.
I know. I'm gonna hurry up, huh?
Yeah, probably. And
Don't hurry.
then run back up because I don't want to see that.
I don't know. But I don't think
Oh my gosh, this is horrible. I'm so sorry. Like I don't know how to explain it, but watch the video. But it's like, boom, look, it's like this. Like,
That's how you're supposed to. That's what happens when you walk.
yeah, but it's better like on other people's channel. If it's like this, people are like, dang, these people. Yeah, but most people don't use their phone. Oh yeah, and then we also climbed up that, which was pretty fun.
That's scary.
Oh dang, bro. And then like we climbed up this, but then we kept on getting down. Like that. But then we also climbed up some other stuff.
One was scary.
Yeah. Yeah. Which one did we climb up? This one, right? Yep.
Yep, look right here.
Okay.
We climbed up there.
Climbed up this, which is super hard. He climbed up it first because we were gonna go up this because we were looking up all the trails. And holy crap, like I didn't know it was that hard. Yeah. I didn't know it was this far. I thought it was like at the beginning of this trail. Here, hold the phone because I gotta tie my shoelaces. Because we do have to run, and then I'm stopping the video, and then I'm done. Shit. Ah. Ooh. Damn. Let's jump.
Yeah, let me see my phone.
Isn't it a good view? It's an okay view. See, because I called him just like a few hours ago and like, hey, you want to make a YouTube channel? Because we've been planning on it, but then we didn't know if we wanted to. Like, because we wasn't ready. If you know what we mean. Just jump. Do it for the YouTube. Should I jump it? Should I jump it? Or should I just go this way? I probably should go this way because I don't want to drop my phone. Okay. Well, maybe we can make it by 30 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna start to run because we don't want this YouTube video to go on more longer because we're sure you have one. Oh, crap!
That's how you're gonna rush right there.
Hold on, listen, because I don't want to. Dang, the moon's bright. You going home after this?
Huh?
Are you going home after this?
Well, we could ask if she can come back first. And then, if they say yes,
Shit.
then you can go get your Nintendo Switch or you can go.
Did you hear something? Should we go back?
No, I think we're good. I think it's just a deer running. Well, not just in
To
good.
be honest, the knife ain't gonna help us against like some
Bobcat and
mountain lion.
Well, I think they're here. I think
They are.
Well, they are, but I think they're only staying with like those better kind of places.
What the heck? It's lagging. Oh, I know why it's lagging, because we're out here.
Hmm?
Oh, crap. Hurry up, let's go. I ain't got time for you to wait. It's under, this is the bad part. After this, I'm done.
I know, I'm running back.
And we're just doing it for these. Now here's a.
We can't be scared.
Heck that.
Oh, what? What? Well,
Okay.
it was bigger.
Well, it was bigger last time you came. That's booty. That sucks.
I'm not going home my way. Well,
Nah.
unless you can't say night too. Yeah, we just wanted.
No, I'm going back to my house because I have to get my stuff.
I know, but we haven't asked yet.
Exactly. Wait, did you have to walk by this? That sucks, huh? Okay.
It was like then.
Well, sorry guys. Well, are we done? Are we stopping it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, see you later.